That man you love schoolboy football. Come here, sir. We're a schoolboy. We're talking about the 10-1 today. We just want you to hear a little piece.
Yeah.
Hear a little piece.
Waiting about the 10-1. First of all, when you see results.
No, it's different. Let me tell you why. Remember, Turkey are part European, part Asian country, you know. So them a play football in Europe. You know that the standard of football different in Europe. Them youth, them schoolboy football, them a play amongst themselves. Them inexperienced. Them youth play football and I go football academy from before Wapikill fill up. So you can't compare the two. For Jamaica, even when we reason I talk about systems and all of that and the different systems of football. Them their place where them place they establish.
Yeah.
Turkey league I want top league, I want top league them in Europe. So what you expect? You go play a country like Turkey and expect for the guy them get 10-1 on good representation of themselves, them could have score a goal. It's a learning experience for them. We don't have nothing like Turkey. So
let me ask that question. If you did it on the field, what would you do?
No, if me did it on the field. No, me couldn't analyze nothing different to that. You understand what I said? Them youth is a level above you. Them fitter than you, them play the ball game different and them gel.
Me kick off a foot, you know.
For them national team and play from them young.
Yeah, as a coach, when you see three and that 10 minutes
no, it's a learning experience. No, again, it's a learning experience. So you can't even say, all right, as a coach. Because as a coach, you don't know, say, all right, me I go into the game with an inexperienced team. So how you talk to your players, go out there and have fun, make you gain some experience and some knowledge. Because you already, and I like say, but you already know that it's a better team than your team, better quality team. So, and you know your team. So you not look for whatever, you just say, go out there, enjoy yourself, and you know. So I saw them think they go, you're learning experience, don't beat the boy them. Me feel like... No, that's a good question. If me scrap, no, I reduce the age from 19 to 17. Good meaning that
very good point.
Yeah.
Very good
That's why I tell you some more.
Yeah.
And in my view, I have an elite league for under 9, under 20.
Yeah, you have something away.
Between elite league for U20.
Me feel like
Manning Cup schoolboy football, U17.
No, push things like academy. Me feel like Craig Butler and what he's doing. Don't feel like he would be a good fit for JFF president, but see where he can definitely assist with being a part of JFF, probably on a scouting basis or an international basis, being that window to Europe, because he understands more than ever what needs to happen. So definitely you'd pick a different crop of players and then probably send him in his academy and then pay for it like a national academy where it goes to Europe and it gains that experience.
There is currently a national academy right now.
Exactly. So you want stuff like that. I believe in that. That is the only way it works. Reduce its age. Reduce its age to 17. Once you reduce its age, and then you're forcing the guys at 18, 19 to step up to that level. If you do that, then definitely. But when you want the guys, you want Manning Cup to finish at 19, and I'm playing my last year at Manning Cup at 19. All the guys, all of these guys started when they were 18, 19. NKTR, all of these guys, cut above the rest. You have to reduce it. So we're saying that the best players out of Manning Cup, the best 16 and 17-year-olds, let us then send them to Europe and see how the conversation looks in 18 months, 1 year.
All right, good point, very good point, really good point. I like those points.
Reduce Manning Cup, you have to reduce scores, you have to reduce Pepsi, you know. Everybody have to get it. You can't just be a one
so
chopper.
it would be a under 14, under 17.
Oh, no more.
There's no need for under 14, under 17. Because what I'm saying to myself now is that the players that are 14 years old who are good enough, you want them to play in the under 17. And then the younger ones coming up, just 30, out of primary school, the 12, 11, you want them to play the under 14 league. That is it, 2 leagues. And then the football is more.
Wow.
The football needs to be more competitive, and it's more. So say you play.
FIFA man would have started look for go RSPL.
Exactly. Say you play one version from September to December, then from January to May or January to June, July, when you need to be playing another version of football. You want the guys to be playing. When me play Manning Cup, me a Manning Cup star. Play Manning Cup September to December. I not start training for Manning Cup again till April, May. For play Manning Cup again. That doesn't make sense. So if I'm not good enough to play Premier League, when I go to play D1,
let me ask that question. What's your thoughts on the school and the clubs them adapting a school and say, you know what, we are in line with the school and the school is our feeder program?
Which clubs?
Just saying. For example, like Charles, the relationship between Charles Smith and Arnett.
United take up Britain and
our Bridgeport.
Definitely. The reason why these schools are adopted by these clubs is close proximity. You have to be fair. As you say, Charlie Smith and Tivoli. Tivoli trains on their field. Arnhem, if you say. You know, on it, Tivoli and Tivoli High School.
Yeah.
The area,
Yeah,
exactly.
so
you go hand
it's
in
close
hand.
proximity.
Yeah.
So it's actually community teams and community schools.
Yeah.
What I think about it, it's rather here or there, whether you adopt a school or not. What you want to integrate more Manning Cup players into the national program, and as I said, reduce the age. If you do that, then you'd be on par. You'd be on par with where you need to be. So
It's tough, because I personally think our coaching are the biggest issue. I think once you start to get the right coaches, the better coaches at a certain level of football, I think you definitely quality will improve because you have better knowledge being passed on from a younger age. Because it doesn't matter how good you are, if you don't learn the right thing from your young, you'll see you go up on a big stage, it's going to show up. It's going to show up.
Bring back with
Yeah.
the point what we talk about. You have to scrap. What do you think about scrapping score lines? We just say I go back over what we think.
Scoreline?
Yeah, as in
say
you from 5-year-old to 30 to 12, 13, no score line, no those applications, technical ability, working on the right thing.
no, because then football is holistic. So you want to build skill and talent, and you want to do that in the best manner. So we're going to scrap goal line like it's a score line, like it's fun. No, you want these children to understand from a young age. You want them to have competitiveness. You want them to have emotion. So I want when you lose, that burning sensation that you feel, you never forget that. So you want that.
Right.
Yeah.
You don't want when you get older, then you're facing this stuff because you won't know how to do it. That is the development aspect of football.
That's a good
No, definitely.
But
You
don't you
keep
think
it.
when you're like that and just want to win it, sometimes you lose application of skill. Come on, where I use the one.
What is the end game of football on the international stage? It is the win.
To win.
So I'm not here for talent and skill. Talent and skill comes with that yearning desire to win, that emotional aspect. So when what drives you when you're injured? Come and play football. What drives you? What keeps you going is that hunger to win.
You want to win. You want
Thierry Henry says it. He said that he suffered an Achilles problem for years. And he's saying that he realized that he was at the end of his time when he couldn't play with him in child. So that pain that you play through, because you want to win.
Yeah, man,
and then you have that hunger from your younger. Don't take that away. Don't take away that. Just like track and field, we're not,
That is true because
last man reach a race.
Because that's true.
So you continue running. You have that hunger to win, and these guys transition into
and that's from basic school level too.
Exactly.
So from 5-year-old at basic school, they must say, egg, what I call it, egg and bag or something like that. So so from that you have the competitiveness from from the level. And then watch you know. So when we look a bit, when you're about 7, 8, 9, them little age, me and you walk a shop, I would know so one little mongrel dog over here, go to and beep on the gate. I would just run off because I want to ensure say, who dog bite of them get, and them give
you don't know.
Yeah.
Competitive back,
So you don't want to take that out.
Yeah,
Keep that with the
that's
youth,
some
them.
good points.
I understand.
You mentioned coaching. The trick about it, if I'm a
Make him come
coach,
closer.
I'm a football coach, I have a level whatever. But my experience goes thus far. And then these coaches are coaching in top flight football, where football is it's more than just a religion, it's a way of life. Then definitely these coaches will be more experienced. That is why we want to send your coaches to the best part of the world to get experience.
Knowledge and experience.
Exactly. So it's not, if you ask, is a matter of coach or whatever, definitely it has to play a part.
So what's your thoughts on like some nations when them start for them start then turn the pyramid. The best coaches are at the younger level.
Definitely. That has to be a good thing. Grassroots is important.
So the most experienced
The
coaches
foundation
are at
is
the younger
important.
level.
Which level you say that? Which country?
I think that's.
I may put it on the spot.
I don't remember exactly. I don't remember which exactly, but I think there's some
Probably
specific
over
country.
Spain.
And they're not the no, but what they did to transition their football was to start at the grassroots level. They employ them is the best coaches at the lower level. So them turn them pyramid.
And then we have like La Mesa, like Arsenal Academy and them thing there.
London Colony.
Yeah.
It's awesome, man. Three ways, a triangle right now.
Anyways, I think that's more than enough for the discussion.